Jefferson served mac and cheese at a White House dinner in 1802. Kraft improved it with a box for 19 cents in 1937. National Mac and Cheese Day is July 14. The dish traces to at least 14th century Italy, where pasta baked with cheese appears in cookbooks. Jefferson encountered it in France and Italy and brought a pasta machine and Parmesan back to Monticello. Kraft introduced the boxed version in 1937, priced for Depression-era budgets. They sold 8 million boxes in the first year. The blue box still moves roughly 1 million boxes a day in the United States. Baked or stovetop? Both are correct in different contexts. Stovetop is faster and creamier. Baked has the crust. The box has the nostalgia. There is no wrong answer on National Mac and Cheese Day, only strong opinions worth defending. Tag your mac and cheese alignment in the comments and send this to whoever has the best recipe.